Imagine owning your own personal cloud, a space that is completely yours, secure, private, and under your control. No one else decides where your data goes. Start by setting up and securing your Ubuntu server. Watch as commands run smoothly, updating and protecting the system. Every step brings you closer to having a cloud that is fully under your control, ready to host your files safely. Nextcloud is the heart of your personal cloud. It allows you to sync files, share documents, manage calendars, and keep everything organized. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you can take full control of your digital life wherever you are. Protect your cloud using Cloudflare. Secure your domain, configure DNS, enable SSL, and add an extra layer of safety. With these measures, your cloud is encrypted, protected from attacks, and accessible only by you. Now, access your cloud from anywhere. Open a browser, type your domain, and log in. Everything loads seamlessly, showing that your cloud is always available, safe, and private. Whether at home or on the go, your data is under your control. This is your cloud. Your data, your rules. With Ubuntu, Nextcloud, and Cloudflare, you can build a secure, private space to store, share, and access your information. Start today and take control of your digital world.